If you ever forget your logarithmic and trigonometric derivatives, the ultimate calculus guessing trick goes like this. So let's say we look at number 1 and we want to solve the derivative of x times sine of x. We know that this is a product rule which goes like this: f prime g plus f g prime. And we know that x is the first part of our answer and the derivative of x is 1, which means that x will either appear in the first part or in the second part of our answer. So it can't be d or e because it just appears in both parts of our answer. And we know that it's not a either because it just doesn't appear at all. So it's either b or c. And the only difference is the plus and the minus. But we know that in a product rule, we do a sum in most of the times. So it can't be c, and I'm gonna go with b. If we look at number 4, we want to find what is f prime of 1, and our original function is 7x minus 3 plus ln of x. And let's say you forget what's the derivative of ln of x. But you know that derivative of the first part is just 7. And 7 plus something else can be only bigger than 7, well, most of the time. So it's not a, it's not b, it's not c, it's not d. So I'm gonna go with e, which is 8. Finally, let's look at number 7, where we want to find the derivative of this whole thing over here. And let's say you forget what's the derivative of cosine of x. But we know that this is a chain rule, which means that our answer is going to have 2 parts. So we know like right off that A, B, or C are not correct because we only have one part of the answer. So it's either D or E. And D and E look pretty similar, but like in all of the cases, we only have 3's, and this 6 is pretty random if you ask me. So it's not D, and I'm gonna go with E. Now this trick takes only about like 20 seconds, but like really the best trick is to just do your homework.